Hi friends, today we are here. It is a Adarsh Palace. It is around 30 years old property. Belongs to Mr. Mukund Nayak and is a general manager of Tanus. We have recently completed property, so they are going to share their experience with the Anon Infra interiors. Yes sir, please.
Well, thanks for the introduction. People say God has created this earth with his own architectural mind. When I went to Anon Interiors, I met Mr. Reddy and team and developed a home based on that architecture and designed the things. This is what you can see today. I appreciate the great involvement, commitment and timely completion with possible alterations, whatever suits customer, and also is an international class. One of the challenges we faced during the remodeling of this flat, there's a lot of restrictions in this apartments because of the timing, because of the material movement and sound. Most important is we were staying here. That was the most difficult thing for both, because it's dusty and we are interfering with their work. But Mr. Reddy took everything in a positive way and ensured that this marvel is created.
Sir, how you got Anon Infra interiors?
I was searching in the internet. In that, many people have mentioned about your company and appreciating your involvement, commitment, design capabilities. So that's how I got, and I came to your office. And when I saw inside, you have created a wonder. That has created me something is possible here.
Okay.
That's how interaction started.
Okay.
So that's it. I congratulate Avon to go ahead with more and more projects and create versatile design where people can appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you sir. Thank you so much.